some leftover oranges from my friend Catherine's house, and I wanted to make a quick, like every night of the week dessert. It's an Italian orange cake. I love this cake because it's light. It's not giggly sweet. It's ready in an hour and 15 minutes. And that's like made to table. Super simple, everybody loves it. It's very Italian as well. Let's make it. Let's start with our orange, the inspiration. We're gonna need 1 orange. It's really only like 6 ingredients to this cake. It's very, very simple, but flavorful and light. You're going to love it. I'm using 1 orange, and we're gonna cut this up, and you're gonna say this is crazy, but we're gonna put the entire thing in a food processor. But here's a little tip I like to do. I like to boil, David, I'm boiling.
Boiling.
I like to boil my orange first. I boiled this one like a half an hour.
Yeah.
And the reason why I like to do it, it makes it juicier. Think about when you're heating up your citrus, like your lemon, and you want to get more juice out of it. You like roll it, you create friction and heat. So this makes it juicier. And I think it takes the bitterness out of the rind a little bit. And all we're gonna do is put that orange in a food processor. Now, Catherine's oranges don't have a lot of seeds. At this point, I make sure I didn't have any seeds that I was processing up, so I didn't see anything there. All I'm gonna do is just puree that.
Ooh.
And it's that orange that's gonna give us the big flavor of this cake. It's almost like it's zested.
Yeah.
I guess it is zested, but
Smells delicious.
it's gonna be so good. Let's make the cake. Super simple. We're gonna start off by creaming together 3 eggs and 1 1/4 cup of sugar. And you're just gonna whip that together. I'm not even gonna get out a standing mixer or a hand mixer. I'm just gonna do it myself, which I would rather do most times anyway. And then 1 1/4 cup sugar. And we're just gonna whisk that together. That's getting nice. It's light in color, getting a little bit fluffy. I'm gonna go ahead and add, I've got 1/3 of a cup of yogurt. And then I'm also gonna add 1/3 of a cup of softened butter. Just get that mixing up in there. Don't worry about if you've got some lumps in your butter. No worries at all. All right, I think that looks good. David, I'm just gonna set that aside. Let's mix up our dry ingredients, and I like to sift it together. Only 2 ingredients. I got 1 3/4 cup, and I'm just using all-purpose flour. I have made this recipe with almond flour before as a gluten-free recipe, and it is delicious.
Oh.
So 1 3/4 cup of flour, and then 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. The baking powder is going to give it the nice lift that it needs. Nice and airy. Just sit those together. Right? How fast is this coming together? Like, it's the fastest cake in the world. And then we're just gonna kind of add that slowly into the batter that we made. Again, just mixing it up a little at a time. Mix it just till it's combined. We don't need to overmix this batter at all. All right, that's how fast that is. Now we're gonna add in the last 2 ingredients, one of which is,
That looks delicious.
that orange that we just processed. I mean, we pulverized it. Everything, nothing went to waste. I'm gonna be so excited that nothing went to waste. Here's something I like to add. You do not have to do this. I do a citrus blend that I started using the first time I traveled to Italy. In Italian, it's Flor di Sicilia. How do you say it? David, you're Italian. It's a flower of Sicily. What it is, you can make it at home, super easy. I have it in Sweet and Vicious, my cookbook, the recipe for it. 1 part of lemon extract, 1 part orange extract to 2 parts vanilla extract. And this is what you would use to flavor a panettone. I'm gonna put just like a little 1/2 teaspoon tablespoon. We're getting so much flavor out of that orange. I don't need a lot. And I just kind of love where that takes it.
Just adding a different level.
Yeah, a little different layer of flavor. And that is it. Look how quickly that batter came.
Gorgeous. I love it.
Right. I'm gonna bake it in an 8-inch springform pan that I have put a little parchment down the bottom and I'm sprayed with a nonstick cooking spray. I have got my oven set to 350 degrees. So this is just going in our pan. We're gonna bake it for about an hour. Just make sure you keep checking it, but it's about 55, 60 minutes it takes to bake. It's good. It's good. There you go. Going in the oven, 55, 60 minutes. See that in an hour. David, this batter is amazing. I know you're not supposed to eat the raw eggs, whatever, but I think you can tell how good something's going to be by how good the batter is. And if the batter's not good, the cake's not going to be good. Pro tip. This thing is everything. It's called a thermopin. Not sponsored, but I use it for meat. I use it for baking. It is the coolest gadget. If you want to buy somebody a gadget, get this one. Our Italian orange cake is out of the oven. It's cooled slightly. I would, if you weren't waiting on it, woo! I would let it cool a little bit more, but look how tall it is. It's so beautiful. I love it rose. And I can tell by the weight of it, it's a really nice light cake. The only thing I'm gonna do that I would do before I served it is just hit it with a little powdered sugar. Sure, you could do like a little orange glaze, but it doesn't have to be icky gooey sweet. But just on a little cutting board, I bring it to the table. Look, I just bring it to the table.
Adorable.
Me showing off the cake. Delish. Oh my God, I want you to see how great this is inside, how light it is. And airy it is, and see all the orange from when we pulverized that orange.
Oh, Maggie wants some too.
Oh my God. I love that flour of Sicily in there, that little bit of extract that I use too. So we have the orange and then it gives a slight little bit of lemon. This cake is delightful. Oh my God, look how pretty it is. Can you see inside of it? Mmm. You guys, Italian orange cake, great for any night of the week. Also great for entertaining. I mean, it's so beautiful when it comes to the table and so simple. I love it for any night of the week. Just some little something extra. You'll have the recipe. We'll share it on LibbieSummers.com, and link will be in the bio up above. But this is a keeper. I love this. David, this is a good one. Sometimes they're not all good. This is a good one.